Alright, this is 9055 Gulf Boulevard. We are 93 feet into the house, at the very back side of the house. So this is after jet cleaning the lines. There was a ton of scale, cast iron debris, sludge inside of this pipe. So you can see how beautiful it is now. It's kind of hard to compare if you didn't have a before video. But nice, round, beautiful pipe. I think last time they could only get to 77 feet. So the fact we were able to push 94 feet or 93 feet all the way in shows that the pipe is clean. There is one issue in the main PVC line, and the gentleman inside has to use the bathroom constantly throughout the day, so there's a chance he could have flushed. That's a combo going to the left side of the house. We made sure we went through there. I could feel it with the jetter. So that's a 45-degree fitting we just went through there. Now it changes to PVC. So in this PVC line, I did see what appeared to be a small belly. So here's the start of it. A belly is a dip in the line. So even though the line is clean, you can see how it's holding a little bit of water here on the bottom. What that'll do, and you can see where the pipe is still stained on the bottom, when you flush, toilet paper will sit in that little area and clump up. So you can even see a couple clumps of it here. So they flush the toilet since jetting. That'll cause backups. So you may want to make sure you've got pressure assisted toilets inside the house. That'll really help to push things through that belly. So we pulled a lot of cast iron scale down the line, which may be in the city drop. So what I'm concerned about is if this backs up again on the city side. I'll show you what the scale looks like. This is some of the cast iron scale that was in the pipe, and the only way to get it out is to open end it. So some of that stuff has been pushed down the city side. It may have the city side. You can see it. See how it's just mounded up on the bottom there? We're going to try to blow some of that stuff through. But if it backs up again on the clean outside, you may want to call the city and see if they can come clean that tap out. But the main line, everything under the house is definitely clean. I'll work on that drop to the city now, see if I can get that clean. This is John with iFind Leaks. Thanks for watching.